Hey guys, welcome to our channel. It's your girl Yanique
and it's your girl Shelly.
You know, so today we're here with an amazing video which we're going to try some amazing snacks that I just picked up today from the supermarket.
Snacks mukbang.
Yeah, so a little snack mukbang today, a little bit. So it's just some products that we haven't tried before, so we're just gonna see how they taste and if they're any good or anything like that. You know what I mean? So
spice up with taste bud.
No,
bring out those snacks. I am hungry.
No, what we're gonna say
listen,
first.
I'm hungry. Bring out the snacks then.
What we're gonna say first today, it's our first video, so don't go back to kill we.
Listen. Bring out the snacks. When I say snacks, when I say snacks, it is. Drum roll. Bring out the snacks. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Okay, I'm just kidding. Bring out the snacks and no man, where you going? So, hour. Eh? Okay. Where you look for me so far?
Okay. Let's go. So let me go for the first one. So the first one is the American snack. So we have the what is the name now? Rice Krispies.
Listen, she can't pronounce it. It's Rice Krispies or whatever I want name, something like that.
So you can pronounce it. That's no problem.
Eh?
Alright, and this one is the chocolate and it has M&M inside of it also. That's why I picked it up. I've tried the regular Rice Krispies, but I haven't tried this one with the M&M. But it's it's a little bit too sweet. So I got two. So I got the normal one and I got the chocolate one.
Listen, I'm not a fan of trying new things. Listen, my taste bud is very, very simple. Simple. Give me dumpling and chicken back. What? You know, eat chicken back?
If then you sell no snacks, you would have eaten. You understand that? I understand that. But today we are going to try this. You understand?
And give me cheesies. You understand? I'm a big foot. Or we call those red cheese chicks. What are they name again? What are we?
Cherry balls or something like that.
Tigers. That's a nice snack.
Like
so yeah.
Alright. Okay.
This.
So we're going to try the chocolate one first and we're going to try the which one is that?
Listen, I don't know.
Original one.
It's all of them have M&M, so
yeah,
let's
so we're
get
chocolate with M&M and we're going to try the original with M&M.
When me sees food, me happy. This girl, very happy. Me love my belly. Make sure tell you.
Come, let's go.
Why? Oh, we're going to share it.
Just cut it off. I want to give my cookies coming up, eat up everything. Alright. Well, it tastes like regular M&M them.
Too sweet. Too sweet. You got space. Listen, get a company for eat.
Just put that back. It tastes. Just say like what it tastes like.
One more bite. Beer sugar. That it tastes like beer sugar.
You see, but you see that wap it don't go. What it tastes like.
It tastes like. Wait, it tastes like. Wait, one more time. It tastes like. I don't know, yeah, man. I don't know. Next, continue. I don't know.
To me,
it tastes like a bag of sugar.
To me, it tastes like regular Rice Krispies. Just
but all Rice Krispies taste.
Me eat the regular one before. It just tastes like regular Rice Krispies. But all thing they put the some M&M pan top, like some mini some mini M&M pan.
All I can tell you, it is freaking sweet.
So let's try the next one and done.
Bad. And a normal sweet.
Yeah, very sweet.
I couldn't eat that. I will get Clyde after it's too much. They shouldn't be allowed to sell these to kids. It's ridiculous.
I think
they pass the food now.
They make with marshmallow. I think.
Awa. Here comes awa.
Yeah. Regular Rice Krispies.
The chocolate one tastes better than the vanilla.
No, the vanilla tastes better than the chocolate.
I rather the chocolate. I'm selfish. Anyways.
On to the next one.
Number two.
Okay, ready.
Okay. Enough. Come on, let's go. Okay, right.
Okay, so this one here now. This one is the first time I'm seeing this one, and I found it very interesting. So it's Newton's. So it's like a fruit chewy cookie.
It made with real fruit, yeah. Simple as that.
Real fruit and it's very chewy. So I bought 3. So I have one for myself here. So which flavor? I don't
know why I should buy 2. I see him flavor them. It's like, let me tell you, it's like a healthy snack bar.
Oh, I forgot to say this.
It's like a healthy snack bar. This. Yeah. It's 100. So it's like healthy. So if you're on the road of losing some weight and you want a snack, but I'm gonna try it first.
Like me,
I gotta tell you how it tastes.
So the Rice Krispies, you know that it originates from the US. This one is originated from Mexico. So it's a Mexican snack. So yeah, let's try it.
Let's go.
Oh wait. Me say me upset in.
Me not like.
And I think it will pretty yum too much.
Listen, this no meal plan. This is a wickedness. Who make this? Hey, nobody. I don't business. Who make it?
Newton. He come from Mexico.
No, this not taste right.
So look, it look like very like.
Then say of what?
Let me try now, no?
No, corn syrup. What the hell? Eat no?
I'm gonna try.
Like I eat like she nice. Stop fake it. It don't taste good.
It don't taste bad.
But it don't taste good. How kind of palate you have? What kind of palate?
To me it tastes good. Me like you.
Listen, iron palate she have because me tell you, make this good. It don't taste good. It doesn't taste good. On to the next one.
It tastes like prunes.
Number 3,
wait,
please.
No?
And prune don't taste good. Number 3.
But me normally eat raw prawns.
To the next.
Prunes. So you come like then crush the prawn in like one jam settings and then put it in the middle. And it's basically very soft and nice. So me like it.
Listen, Anthony, let me tell you my palate simple. It is. Watch my belly, Jesus peace. I don't know why my belly have more today. Listen. One.
Me know you like this one. Yeah. What you call
Listen. Listen. Public service announcement. I had nothing to do with choosing these snacks. I had nothing to do with it. Not at all.
I understand it. Just calm down.
I'm upset. I'm hungry and I be full. I'm upset. Listen.
So this one, we eat banana bread before, yeah? We have banana bread before. But with this banana bread here, at first Mr. Kiss bring out one banana bread. So I say okay, let me try because I also buy the Kiss cupcake. So I say no, we'll just try this one, So I see them say yeah man, we'll try this cup. That's me, whichever one the vibe. So he say make a real banana, so I know she gonna like it. Cause she like banana.
I don't like banana.
You love banana.
I love banana. Me a banana monkey. No, it's not that's so right. I'm sorry. Listen. I mean,
banana monkey.
Listen, I mean, me a monkey. Me love banana so. Me a banana listen, just
she
think
like
about it.
Banana. Oh, okay.
Keep it PG. Keep it PG.
Alright, so this one is a Jamaican produce.
Man, the only thing. If you have to shut up, get rid of to eat. Which one?
Both.
No, hey, Mr. If I follow she man, smell good. You have a smell like banana and a little bit of rum. You can like smell the what you don't smell it. Let me just say, you know food. You have a little bit of white rum in it.
You know, so white rum, yo.
You have a little bit of rum in it, man.
But they have rum in there, nutmeg. Maybe a nutmeg.
Listen, give me taste it. Let me tell you from in it.
Smell.
Give me taste. Let me tell you from in it.
I'm going to take out like that.
No, I don't want you to touch my hand on my food.
Touch my hand? Like,
Me don't want to touch my food.
They work together, so look here.
You see this all in here?
Take your piece out, I'm not touch. Take your piece out on your bottom, I'm not touch.
True, upsetting.
Alright. Don't be so extra.
It smells so good.
Bring extra.
I love my belly.
Drop it.
I love my belly.
It tastes like.
Tastes good. Tastes good.
I say it tastes good, but it tastes like.
Banana bread.
It tastes like you have rum in it, true. But for ingredients in it, no rum in it.
It tastes good.
Alright, this one
tastes really good.
One good. One tastes good. I feel like you have too much banana here. You know, first me.
I know what banana. Not the egg.
I feel like I have too much. You know when someone does have a name like that, name pumpkin pie, and it tastes like too much pumpkin in it. I saw this tastes like you have too much banana in it.
Listen, number 4 chicken chat. Number 4. Let's get going.
You alright, man?
No, I'm hungry. Number 4.
We went through. I know what stocks me up anyway, so we'll be the same.
See me tell you, do I talk?
Just humble.
You listen.
Humble. Alright, so me have.
Humble.
We have 2 snacks left.
Say, you know Jamaican say, a hungry man is a hungry man right now. I'm cross, miserable. I'm not hungry. She is a cause.
Alright.
Give me one, give me.
Alright, this one you know come from Colombia.
Go Colombia. Listen,
Colombia.
I think I tried this before. I think, if memory serves me right, it's like you have like light brown with chocolate in the middle.
You have it on the picture in your so you have
no, you don't really see it.
See it, yeah? But it's not chocolate, it's vanilla.
It's vanilla, but I think I tried it before.
It's supposed to be good anyway.
Listen.
I bought 5, so I can share.
One advice, Colombia. Need to make this so you can open faster. This too hard to open. Now it's so hungry.
But look how I'm pull from one girl. You think you're hungry? You're not hungry, man. Alright, I'm ready. You come like when I have put one dart in there, I was like,
wait now. No. Smoke some migraine. Get higher.
Listen, now because I come from Jamaica. Now because I come from Jamaica. Alright, come. Let's try it.
You want to smoke up my Cuban?
You broke?
You want to smoke up my Cuban?
Oh!
Yes!
I mean, all this is shorter. Alright.
You want to smoke up my Cuban?
You ugly? One dead road church road
video. Don't listen. Don't make them drug you already, you know.
Come already.
That may tell you.
Already. Come here, already. Come.
It's too ugly. Listen. This steel.
Yeah.
Bad. Sorry. But
be honest, it tastes good. But all thing is steel.
No, sir. You know what? It tastes good.
You know what stop lying?
It's not lying. I'm being honest. Your taste bud and my taste bud is totally different taste bud.
Listen to me. It tastes good, but it tastes like you want rubber band.
Listen.
Steel. They expiry date on this weight.
See, she buys stuff and she don't even look at the expiry date. That's all. That will show you how a bad shopper she is. Cause, come on, look at the expiration date, girl. Look at the expiration date. Come on.
When I check the price, I must check the date.
Rich bitch. Boop, boop. Rich bitch check.
That done with fun.
Boop, boop.
But me have one fun one. So we try all of the sweet one before. But this one I know. Every Jamaican supposed to try this already. But this one new flavor. First me I see this one. So cheese it and it come in a hot and spicy. But you say you can dance. No. Okay, let's open it. Hey. Stab it extra.
Listen. What?
God damn!
That not smell good.
Oh, what is? It smell like
Listen, that
pepper.
smell good.
Smell like pepper.
I'm going to taste it same way. One more one then.
Wait. We have to taste it at the same time.
Sure. Cheese it. Cheese it. Let me tell you this. Rating the ingredients out. Who the hell come up with this? Who in them right mind come up with this ingredients here? You don't want taste test? Who tells you this tastes good?
It tastes so nice, right?
Who tells you this tastes good? You really don't want taste test and people pass this? This needs to go. This is ridiculous. No. Until the next one. I'm tired. On to the next one. Give me
So
don't watch me. Don't watch me. She is extra. Extra. Go.
Okay. So this one you know in name. Serious? What name?
I don't know. Don't ask me. All I know is me love drink. See what name here?
Ceres.
Anybody know the name?
Ceres. Make it show properly.
Can pronounce the name?
Ceres.
Tell us in the comment. Just say, listen, I know to pronounce that name. Just say in the comment. Spell. No, not spell. What do you say? Pronounce.
Read goodie.
Pronounce.
So this is Ceres, or we call it 100% blended what is it? Lychee.
Listen.
Lychee?
You don't know a lychee?
Lychee.
You know them
Jamaica say lychee, but I think it's a lychee.
It's a lychee. You know those little fruit thing? It's right here.
Wait. The
Sure. Lychee. Here, if you don't know what it is, these are the fruits. You can get them in Jamaica. These the lychee. That's what makes
we call them in China Guinea.
So yes,
in Jamaica we call them China Guinea. First me see the juice here, I see me
cheesy.
This lovely juice.
I can't believe you actually make something.
Came from South Africa. I was surprised when I saw it. I worked a lot of South African people before, so hey. I need to stop our stay school, so I will try now. Alright, I'm ready.
I'm telling you, if you follow her, I'm telling you, when you follow her, you're dead for hungry. Never gonna
work
know.
With a lot
but
of
if you're hungry,
people.
don't go anywhere with her. She talk more than she get to the food. To the food. Hungry, I'm hungry.
Me talk it to it, I love. Me talk only mother will me eat?
Yes.
You believe so?
No, when for yourself, like, cause listen, she get up, she eat like throughout the entire day, throughout the entire night, 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning, she's up eating.
It's quarantine, love.
Nothing to do with quarantine.
It's quarantine, eh? It's quarantine. What else to do than eat and sleep and watch Netflix? Alright.
What's in my cup stays in my cup. In my cup stays in my cup. My drink is in my cup. In my cup stays in my cup. My cup. Hey. My cup. Hey. So pour me drinks. Hey.
We'll have to take a look a bit. Alright, ready? Alright, that's good.
This can't quench my thirst.
Girl.
Do better than that. Come on, man.
It's not a belly full enough, it's a try still. But,
hey.
Okay, we are try.
How much you pay for this?
We are try.
How much you pay for this?
We are try.
How much you pay for this?
Smelly. You smell like sugar and water. Take it out.
I swear. It's sweet. I put sugar and water in this in this box. Let's taste it.
No, but you have a swirly.
Okay,
smell like
listen.
All right, ready, we'll go.
We're gonna do it like we're sipping on wine. Okay.
No, wait. When you do wine tasting, you do then say any for swirly.
Me tell you, you should realize anytime me come up with something, I should take it over like a fair idea. I said we're sipping on the wine. Let me instruct how we're doing it. You swirl it like this, then you smell it, then you. And that's what I do. Go.
You do that, Liz.
Go. Sound like a damn bird. Come on.
Alright, let's go.
Go.
Me like it. Don't lie.
I have mixed feelings. I swear. Let me see. I don't know. I'm split. I have mixed feelings. I don't hate it and I don't like it.
The thing is,
call me the food pooper, I guess. I don't know.
Don't ever put poop on food in the same sentence.
Pooper.
Ever.
Like it's a party pooper, food pooper.
And juice and food should not go in the same sentence.
Well, I put it in the same sentence. Take it out.
Alright, let's go.
Drink up, baby. Cheers. Cheers, day.
I feel like if it was cold, it would taste a lot better.
Listen, I'm gonna pretend.
Pretend.
Listen,
I'm gonna pretend. It's pretend.
don't piss me off.
Pretend.
I see what the fella wanna say. Pretend.
Pretend. So guys, thank you for. So alright, order rate this video from 1 to 10 on the taste of the snacks.
2.
A 2? But I give it a nice solid 7.
The cheese it. I'm gonna start from that. That cheese it is not even a 1. It's a minus 100 when we eat it.
Wow.
You cheese it. I don't like it.
Yeah,
it's a minus 100. They need to rethink that snack.
I still can't taste
but
it.
anyways, this little thing here, I give it a 2.
It's still.
I give that a 2. And
if you never still, maybe that better.
I give it a minus 1. Simple, plain and simple. She probably give it a 5 or so. Me give it a minus 1. The juice, I give it a 7. Juice are the highlight of this video. The juice, that's it.
The juice, alright, but with overall rating from 1 to 10, you give it a what again?
Probably like a 2. So alright, so
a 2. So me give it a solid 7.
Yes,
let's pick up your nose up like if I excuse
it's not funny. This is abuse I have to go through. Anyways, so
okay. So
all you have to do is go down in the comments and tell us what you want us to try next. Give us any suggestion. It doesn't matter what it is. We will try it, rate it, review it, and let you guys know. It doesn't have to be snacks. It can be food as well.
Like, what the next video what you want to do? You don't have to be like
but just tell you
what we try next. But we say like anything else that if you want to do like
listen.
Q&A.
Ask me anything. If you Q&A, it's not corny. Listening like her. Anyways, ask us anything you want. If you want us to do a Q&A,
can you wait?
If you want us to do a Q&A, you put the question down in the comments.
Yeah.
And we'll get on to that.
We'll screenshot most of them and then just ask each other the question them.
And if you have any suggestion for any other videos, then you put them down in the comments and we'll
do it.
We think about it.
So what we need you guys to do now is to
like, comment and subscribe. And we're out. As